BJP government at the center is the tyrant, and along with that the RSS agenda. Bhagwant Mann is a stage actor. He's a stage showman. He can say anything. He can say 20 out of 13 also.
The color on the streets of Patiala is obvious. There is music all around. Dharamveer Gandhi joins us. Sir, what is the mood on the ground?
You can well see today there is a lot of enthusiasm among Congress worker and the general public to vote for Congress and elect the Congress candidate from seat of Patiala with a huge margin. We are sure we will be strengthening hands of Shri Rahul Gandhi ji and trying to strengthen India alliance by winning maximum seats in Punjab, outnumber the previous seats.
Sir, a lot of dolls, a lot of music, a lot of chanting. But this also comes with the fact that several of the leaders had sent a letter to the party high command.
Yes.
Do you think, there was a candidature of Praneet Kaur and everything. So much has happened in Patiala.
Yeah.
How do you think you're going to manage this?
So it has all been clear today. Why air is very clear and there is everybody is on board to see that this Modi regime is defeated in 2024, which is a historic election and very important election in the journey of Indian Republic. So the Punjabis have a special character to face the tyrant, and we are going to face it.
So who's the tyrant? Because Praneet Kaur.
BJP government at the center is the tyrant, and along with that the RSS agenda, which is
Because this is irony of sorts, because Praneet Kaur was candidate from Congress party.
Yeah,
Now she switched sides.
definitely.
So, in just a span of a couple of months,
Yeah.
a person becomes a tyrant.
You see the mood on the ground. Tyrant means when I say tyrant, I mean the central regime, central government, the BJP government. So as far as Mrs. Praneet Kaur is concerned, she has left Congress by enjoying all the benefits by her family for 50 long years, and now has deserted Congress just to save her skin, her family's skin from ED and other government investigation agencies. Sole purpose. Otherwise, she has been elected 4 times. Her husband was elected Chief Minister twice by the people of Punjab, by the Congress, and now they are in the BJP camp just because of the personal interest, family interest, and the economic interest.
How do you rate Aam Aadmi Party saying they're going to get 13-0?
No. Bhagwant Mann is a stage actor. He's a stage showman. He can say anything. He can say 20 out of 13 also. He can say anything. I don't take him seriously. Really not.
Okay, Patiala, politics of Congress cannot be complete without one is obviously Captain Saab. He's with the BJP now. But Navjot Sidhu, he seems to be missing. Will he be campaigning for you?
No. I love him as a person, as a congressman, as a cricketer, as a orator, and as a very honest person. So I have been visiting his constituency during assembly elections. I went there twice, spent 4 days with him, and I'm sure when I call him, he will be campaigning for me. You can see it in the coming days. When the campaign picks up, he will be there.
Whether this Gandhi wins or not, big question. But here it is. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Patiala for India Today.